Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to enable automatic call recording on your Android phone. So every incoming and outgoing call gets recorded automatically. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the default phone or dialer app on your Android device. This is usually the green phone icon you use to make calls. Now tap the three dots or menu option at the top right corner and select settings. Now find this option called record calls or recording calls. The name may vary depending on your phone brand like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo or Realme. So inside record calls, toggle on auto record calls. And that's it. Your recordings will be saved in the phone app under recorded calls or in the file manager, usually in a folder named called recordings. If you don't see this feature in your phone, you can download a trusted third-party call recording app from the Play Store, but always check local laws before recording calls as it may not be allowed in some regions. And that's it. Now you know how to start automatic call recording on your Android device. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.